Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for petrol stations at the PetrolSpy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and tap on this search bar at the top of the screen next to the settings button, and here you can select from a bunch of preset options. Tap on the relevant one, select the type of petrol that you are looking for, and here you can find all of the available petrol stations on the map. As you can see, they are marked, so if you tap on it you can check out the address, phone number and the prices as well. So that's how you can search for petrol stations nearby or around you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.